So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a table here on the Notes app. So if I just wanted to create a table, I'll just go ahead and format it here a little bit so it's easier to see. It's very simple. On this top bar, just hover over this option right here where it says add a table. Go ahead and select it. Now it's going to default to a 2 by 2. If you want to change it, just press on the table. This top bar right here, you can go ahead and drop the drop down. You can go ahead and add different columns if you want. So if you wanted this to be like maybe a 4 by 4. You can go ahead and do the exact same thing. Just kind of go ahead and create it this way. Let's just go 4 by 4 as an example. And if you want to edit it, like it can be like table 1, table 2, etc. Now, if you want to like format it funny, you can just go to the top here, highlight it, do what you got to do. Press format, and you can kind of get more creative this way. So you can change the font, the text, the indentation. So if you wanted to like change the font color, etc., you can go ahead and do that. You can change it, do what you got to do. And if this looks good to you, obviously, you can go ahead and sort of format your table this way. So pretty simple, but that's how to create a table on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.